How to save voice messages from Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to extract and save a voice message as an audio file on your device. First, open Messenger and find the voice message you want to save. After that, before you start recording, make sure to close any other apps running in the background so your screen recording comes out clean. From there, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and tap on Screen Recorder to start recording. Right here, once the recording has started, go back to Messenger and play the voice message so it gets captured in the recording. Next up, once the voice message has finished playing, swipe down again and tap Stop to end the screen recording. Moving on, your screen recording will be saved as a video file in your gallery, but since you only need the audio, we need to convert it. From here, open Chrome and search for an MP4 to MP3 converter. There are plenty of free ones available. Just pick any one from the results. After that, tap on the converter site and look for the option to upload a file. Select the screen recording you just saved from your gallery. Following this, once the file is uploaded, tap Convert and wait for the site to process it. Finally, once the conversion is done, tap Download to save the audio file directly to your device. You'll now have the voice message saved as an MP3 file. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.